Gretchen. We're here at Ikea, and Gretchen saw the video camera and she really wanted to play with it. So, here we go. Got the little ones. Grayson, you ready?
Yeah.
Gwen, you ready?
Yeah.
Gretchen, you ready? Yeah.
I not think he's quite sure.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Checking out the new beds here. Oh, a little jungle.
The full size?
They love it here. All sorts of fun stuff. All right, let's go find some bowls. Ready? All right, so they got silverware. We have regular silverware, so we're fine. Bowls, cups, plates. Nice deal. We are now trapped in Ikea, trying to find an escape. There are no exits, only merchandise. Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Are you ready to get out of here? Oh no, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Let's ride. What?
Are we actually trapped in this?
Yes, we're actually trapped. Forever.
I know the way out.
You do? I'll follow you. Go.
Okay. Even I know the way. I know the way out. Follow us. Follow the way out.
And we're out. All right, we just got to my brother's house. Gonna head over to the water park. Grandma and Grandpa are here. You ready to go swimming? Are you ready? Ready!
Yeah.
Here we go! Letting the sunscreen dry a little. And then time to party.
1, 2, 3 minutes. Daddy, we're going now.
In 1 minute, gotta let the sunscreen dry.
Ready? Let's get her started. Ready? Ready?
Wait 1 minute. All right, go.
Once Patsy's done. Once Patsy's done.
I want you to count 1,500.
Doing good out here, baby? Yeah? Nice, gotta stay hydrated. Nope, use yours right here. Yeah. There you go, chilling. Nice, with Auntie. She coming back?
Across the grass, there she goes.
Oh, made it.
Hey.
Hi. Come on, come down.
Going back?
Come down. Come here.
Baby giant. Ah. Ah. How you doing, baby? Good?
Yeah.
It's a little chilly out, a little windy.
Let's get a little water, baby. Get the king, he's gonna go. He's going for a little water. Hey, kid, go
Going for a splash.
in the water. Go splash him.
Go, Grayson, get it.
What are you afraid? Do you want it? Yeah! Fancy! Say cheese! Say cheese! Ah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa!
What are you drinking? What's that?
Little breezy. Everybody's snacking.
Come here.
Grandma living dangerously. So it was a pretty fun time. We got to hang out with Grandma and Grandpa and my brother and my sister-in-law and my nephew and my niece, and we played around in the splash pad. We played some football, got some good exercise. Now we gotta head back to the house.
Bye-bye. I love you guys.
Say bye, Grandma.